a stile for a 3-inch thick door. Right now the CNC is putting the dowel holes into the door. The door is made out of mahogany. It's going to go into an old historic building. Built back in the 1800s.